Indefinite ban along National Highways number 2 Imphal Dimapur Road brings grievous plight to commuters. Chief Minister N. Biren launches Manipur cab services under Imphal Finance Cooperative Thrift and Credit Society Limited, reassures of provision for journalists under CMHT scheme. MPCC observes 101st birth anniversary of late Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Former Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam asserts public will require BJP in upcoming Lok Sabha elections. An upset residents block Kangabam Lekai Road and adjoining road of Kaishamthong and Sagolban constituencies against non-maintenance for over 10 years. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam bringing you the top stories. The indefinite ban along National Highway number 2 Imphal Dimapur Road, jointly called by Awang Sekmai Scheduled Caste Development Committee, Sekmai Protection Committee and Advanced Women's Society Awang Sekmai, has brought much plight to commuters. Vehicular movement is on hold and people coming from neighboring states are walking on foot. The indefinite ban started this morning at 6 a.m. against the alleged assault on General Secretary of Sekmai Protection Committee, Laimayum Dhana, by escorts of MLA Lamsang S. Rajan on November 17th. Ban supporters have demanded a public apology from MLA S. Rajan and also demanded to terminate service of the accused escort personnel. Many vehicles coming from Dimapur and Guwahati are stranded near Makan village and passengers are taking shelter in nearby areas till the time of filing this report. It may be mentioned that scuffle broke out between the people of Sekmai and Lakinthabi, Shantipur over land-related controversy with regards to construction of a community hall at Lakinthabi, Shantipur in Lamsang constituency on November 17th. MLA Lamsang Assembly Constituency S. Rajan allegedly made hurtful comments against the people of Sekmai and his escorts allegedly assaulted Laimayum Dhana.
Maram leitabida akhoi da phurokpa akhoi da maran thaksi khasi naide haidana badnam torokpa si akhoi strongly ai condemn taujai tasengna mak ngarang akhoi nungdangi pung paro phau akhoi MLA gi side gi apology taurakani haina akhoi full confidence laibne adubu tauraktre aduga hairiba phubada jenariba security personnel singsu punishment terminate natragana suspend taurakani haibe siju akhoi thajabani adubu hauji phaubuda positive oiba response amata lakte khoi gi charter of demand sing to fulfill tawdiba khoi banasi continue tawjagi ne thong chadaba MLA qualify oidaba MLA sibu dandi pinamang ngai gi ban tawriba sida Manipur praja punamang na sogat piyo.
Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has launched Manipur cab services under Imphal Finance Cooperative Thrift and Credit Society Limited today. Speaking in the launching event held at MSFDS Auditorium, Chief Minister N. Biren has assured to discuss on provision of health benefits for journalists under Chief Minister Gi Haksel Ki Tingpang CMHT scheme in the upcoming cabinet session. He also intimated that a survey will be conducted upon artists and individuals in the field of art and culture to provide them with health assistance in their old age. N. Biren maintained that CMHT scheme, which has benefited the people of the state, may be an utter dismay to the previous government. The Chief Minister also expressed contentment at the emerging revolution amongst aspiring entrepreneurs of the state. He maintained that various banks and entrepreneurs of the state have extended over 1 crore rupees for the upcoming Sangai festival, proving their trust in the present government. The Chief Minister assured that the government will always promote goodwill of the people and further assured to extend financial assistance to genuine individuals opting for self-employment. Taking part in the event, Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Yumnam Khemchand stressed the need to hire efficient drivers who can properly guide tourists. He believed that inconveniences earlier faced by tourists visiting the state due to lack of cab services will be done away with. He asserted that when educated and employed youths of the state are hired as interpreter cum drivers, tourists will be properly guided and give proper exposure to the beauty of the state. Umanglai Kanba Apunbalup in a press release urged the government not to use idols and items belonging to Meitei communities as decorative items during the upcoming Sangai festival. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee has observed the 101st birth anniversary of late Prime Minister Indira Gandhi at Congress Bhavan today. Speaking in the event, former Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam asserted that public will retaliate the BJP government in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. He claimed that, favoring the good endeavor of Congress party, people of the state voted for the party, making it the single largest party winner in the last general election. However, BJP formed a government by deceit. The former Deputy Chief Minister declared that people of the state will require the BJP in the upcoming elections. Congress MLAs and many eminent members of the party attended the event, paid floral tributes at the portrait of the deceased leader. The attendees also pledged to work for the welfare of the people with true and sincerity.
Okay, by election, so Prajagi sympathy, Prajagi Nungshiba, my support to Lejay, Manipur context, Hajarabasu. Makoina, not on that Saka Semzaki. Equina 28 Pangdam, a single majority Pangjaban. I don't know, Loinamak, Natain Tamakanda, Mokanampu have the Tokivani, Hojiksu, Modugi, Prasasing, Sak to labor. As Congress, they could have bought pizza, the Gamakona, Horan was saying, White, Sak the Legermada, Live 2019 election, Parliament elections, Lemon Singin, Nainari.
Manipur Pradesh Mahila Congress Committee and Lamlai Block Congress Committee have extended various assistance, including clothes and food items, to an old-age home at Nongpok Kakching in Lamlai on the occasion of the birth anniversary of late former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi today. Vice President of BJP Khetrigao Mandal Hijam Chauba has stated that A.R. Khan left the BJP after failing to get ticket in general election from Khetrigao constituency. He expressed astonishment at the recent media circulation about A.R. Khan leaving the party, as he had already left the post of Vice President of BJP Khetrigao Mandal on February 17th last year. Speaking to media at BJP Khetrigao Mandal in Khetrigao Sabal Laikai today, Hizam Chauba asserted that A.R. Khan leaving the BJP will not affect BJP Khetrigao Mandal and its Muslim members. BJP Khetrigao Minority Morcha President Muhammad Ayub Khan also refuted a statement of A.R. Khan that 30 active members and 2,000 primary members of BJP from Khetrigao constituency left the party along with him as baseless. Meanwhile, BJP Khetrigao Mandal accorded a warm reception to former chairman of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, Minority Cell, Muhammad Hayat Ali Khan, on joining BJP.
A.R. Khan si vote leave khide adubu maha party ki thabak thauramda mandal gi amasung state ki thabak singda amatta ma share to gidre ma ga loiner ma singaduna topada cheli chongi bedu ma gi ingit mali maramaduna ma si anti party oiduna dum legrabani babung chawbuna president oiringe da ma sa ma si BJP gi tanthokrabani BJP da Muslim lisingani worker purga chale haribasi minority gi thaupu mayam sinasu sakhini aduga ma sa ma si tasena atopa lambi ama thibagi damakta BJP chairman Muslim Maratagi Raxo Hiraba Amana Fajaba Sajat Lichat Adu Tamjingai Wegabani Adu Man Toribazi Kitang Machu Dabawali A.R. Khan si vote leave khide adubu maha party ki thabak thauramda mandal gi amasung state ki thabak singda amatta ma share to gidre ma ga loiner ma singaduna topada cheli chongi bedu ma gi ingit mali maramaduna ma si anti party oiduna dum legrabani babung chawbuna president oiringe da ma sa ma si BJP gi tanthokrabani BJP da Muslim Lishingani, worker Purga Chale Haribasi, minority Taupu Mayamsinu, Sakini, Adugama.
Upset residents have blocked Kangabam Lekai Road and adjoining roads of Kaisamthong and Sagolban constituencies in retaliation for not maintaining the road for over 10 years. Maira Paibis of the locality blocked the road with logs since early this morning. Speaking to media, protesters stated that the road is under IMC Ward number 8 and 9 and falls under both Kaisamthong and Sagolban constituencies. They expressed discontentment that the road remains neglected because MLA Kaisamthong L. Jentakumar and MLA of Sagolban Assembly constituency R.K. Imo keep waiting on each other to start the repair of the road. They intimated that the road remains neglected despite repeated pleas to both the MLAs. The discontented locals complained that the road gets flooded during rainy season and dusty during dry season, bringing much inconveniences. They want of continuing their agitations until the demand is met. MLA of Thang Assembly constituency Tongbram Robindro has inspected the ongoing road expansion works and culvert construction between Thangka Lawai Kongnangkong to Sabal Lekai under Kathinungai Gram Panchayat in Thanga constituency today. The MLA appealed people in the constituency to cooperate in converting Thanga into a tourism hotspot. Chief Minister Nongthombam Pirane has flagged off a bike rally in relation to the 190th birth anniversary of Rani Lakshmibai today. The bike rally organized by BJP Mahila Morcha was flagged off from BJP's all office at Nityai to take. Many women riding horses in traditional attires and carrying swords also took part in the rally, which passed through Wahengbam Lekai Assembly Complex Road to finally conclude at BJP Manipur Pradesh temporary office in Kanchipur. Speaking to media, Chief Minister Birane stated that BJP reminisces India's great leaders who fought gallantly for sovereignty and integrity of India. He said that the bike rally was held in commemoration of the brave Queen Rani Lakshmibai, popularly known as Jhansi Ki Rani, for her courage and sacrifices to free India.
Jhansi Rani history de koina khange magi wari koina mohana liru drasu yare masa managanda porga adugma yengna bagi mayokta bharat ki ningkha tamba ngakna ba aduga magi democratic freedom do phangna bagi damka adugma lanthengna kiba nupi do maharani do mabu ningsing bagi thauron ninga si aduna ngasi koina su akoi gi BJP gi mahila gi oiba adugma team amana ngasi koi sagon tongaga kutta thang paira sakhiba mayam ubiramani matam du da mahangna laibak tu gi damka laibak ki damka mana sacrifice to kiba man thengna kiba mawong do ngasi gi laiba mirol da ningsing hanana bagi adugma pandam da sathaba adugma rally ni.
State Department of Minority Affairs under the Ministry of Minority Affairs, Government of India, conducted a one-day state-level workshop for NGOs on various schemes implemented by the Ministry of Minority Affairs, Government of India at City Convention Centre in Palace Compound today. The workshop will enlighten leaders of various NGOs on the schemes provided for minorities and on their roles in ensuring the schemes to minorities.
Ministry की schemes मया में सी खरा प्रजा दखरा मखोई नखरा popular दोगन बा खंगन बा अदुगी intention की मक्त लाभ बने मयाम लेरी अदु लोगन बा मक्त एक कोई NGO मयाम दखरा तकपीरी Corporation of Manipur की Department of Minorities Secretary and Director एक मयाम न पुन्ना तो बगी effort ने सी मयाम सी thank you sir hello.
CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam has stated cooperative societies are degrading day by day as its leaders are misappropriating public funds. He appealed to the public to be mindful of choosing sacrificial and sincere leaders who will execute their duties efficiently. Minister Karam Shyam was speaking on the 6th day of the 65th All India Cooperation Week celebration held on the topic Cooperative for Youth, Women and Weaker Sections today. Manipur State Cooperative Union District Cooperative Officer, Imphal East, and NCUI Women Project jointly launched a celebration on November 14th on the theme Inclusive Growth and Good Governance Through Cooperative for Rural Prosperity at Kabam Laiharaupam Community Hall. The minister assured that the government is ever ready to initiate welfare and developmental works. Manipur Handloom and Handicrafts Development Corporation Chairman S. Rajan also attended the event.
Cooperative society si mai pang run to the shui se kai no da mayang yu pot ohinda ba leaders in duna leader ki quality what padagi masagi oiba society on thok na maram oidana cooperative society mun anab ya choba maram ne adu itadi sida leader oigadu se kara sacrificing spirit laiba leadership quality laiba aduga mayam bu phajana convince to ngamba kholga puba ngamba matugi kana bak piba ngamba oigadamne aduna leadership khanbasima interfere to yaba oiragadi kara yengaga khanbiyo mangon kathopagi thona laitragadi adi thabak singja amata mai pangna adi tawba ngamoy aduna akoi cooperative society na chakhut kane haisi karigino hai taragadi imung manung family da oiro laikai khunda oiro imaibel sing any organization da oiro akoi mioi bada khwai dagi darkar oidi collective decision ni adi punna warep lawminna madudadi afaba fattaba akoi gi wakhalon mayam se loina puthongna rakane madu munna tarba matungda miyamna lawbo warep se kaidongai disu fattaba oidi adugi da muta akoi da knowledge ki tang watpa khangba watpa dugi da makta di official singi yamna expert oiraba khangaba mayam ama leiriba mateng pangna ba akoi na mateng du lawjaba ngamdaba dunia.
A review meeting to assess the current situation of implementation of goods and services tax (GST) in Manipur, chaired by Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customer (CBIC) member Mahendra Singh, was held at GST office in Imphal today. Officials of GST, Manipur and other eminent persons attended the event. The Manipuri team presented slideshows on the current status of GST in Manipur to the central team. The first district-level old-aged weaver award 2018 in memory of Nongthombam Yaima was presented to elderly weavers of Imphal West at Ipa Thokok Shrine in Naurimthong today. Speaking in the event, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar appealed to weavers of the state to properly utilize all government-provided funds, fibers and weaving equipments to earn their livelihood.
Cooperative society linkhalagab adumai tona ngasagi pisabi sing pisabi da nate ate atopa sinpham tobu kamu singchu cooperative society torga adumai ton tonabani aina kanjabada koi government gi site koi tonabu sona jage adubu pisabi lebi bo kamu singchina mapam amagi leiba adu pulap punsen minarga yaragadi achongba kanoma sarga building akoi gi kano mando kuma kama sarga madei da yamrabada yongkham kullama kuntrama torga aduga saminnerga pi pothokji tobuta gadi madu gadi aina kamada kana basi phangani.
President of Domestic Violence and Survivors Forums Manipur and Tombi has lauded Chief Minister N. Biren for bringing together a mother and her missing minor child. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, and Tombi maintained that Sagolsem Bijenti from Langthabal, Mayai Laikai made repeated pleas to Child Welfare Committee Thobal to grant her parental rights for her minor child after her separation from husband Soibam Punsiba from Khongchom Sagai Khong. But Child Welfare Committee Thobal and concerned Khongchom Police Station failed to make any progress regarding the matter. She submitted a plea to Chief Minister as a last hope on November 15th on Miyam Ginumid. Upon the Chief Minister's strict instructions, Bijenti is now united with her child.
Mama na masase pangjabasigi miyam gi numisina kanaba adagi lailiba staff mayam angangi line sida thabak pubiriba staff mayam isilinau mayam sibu thagat pa phongdok jage aduna ngasi se yam harauba maga loina na lakjabane state government gi miyam gi numise asuki matik kanai habadune khoina haijaningi se
As a part of the security measures ahead of the upcoming Sangai Festival 2018, a team of Imphal West District Police under the supervision of SP Imphal West conducted cordon and search operations in and around Lamding Kuno from from 4 to 6:30 this morning. The team led by DSP Commando MPS Amarjit along with OC Lamsang Inspector Manihar, Lamsang Commando's Operation in Charge Inspector Anil Chandra, Lamsang Commando Operation JM Pritham and Lamsang Police Station personnel conducted the operation. 8 individuals including 5 bailouts were picked up and were handed over to relevant police station for further verification. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the inaugural of 2 newly constructed gates of the Art and Culture Department. And keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Prime Time English News. Art and Culture Minister L. Jayantkumar has inaugurated the newly constructed northern and southern gates of the Art and Culture Department in Palace Compound today. Speaking in the event, Minister Jayantkumar asserted that art and culture play significant roles in popularizing Manipur to the rest of the world. He lamented that budget sanctioned for art and culture is not in sync with modern trend, leading to various inconveniences in undertaking developmental works. He opined that it would be the apt time to expose the rich art and cultural heritage of the state during the upcoming Sangai festival.
Hopefully, I am the Sangari and the missionary and the high city in the Chico, Jabloja, Sangai Festival. I think it's our work of the Tabuni and the Lotion. Manipusi, how in Harris sports, culture, always. Can I hold culture now? When in the doing a Madu, number could get it. At the Madrid, I cut the one, Kapsat, my dad, collective responsibility in the color. I think it's a good chop under that. Yamna Maipu, Nalahonaga, Yamna Monga, Makipu.
Health Minister Langpo Lapam Jayantkumar visited jaundice patient Moirangthim Bembem from Awang Sikmai, who is currently undergoing treatment at Intensive Care Unit of Jenims Hospital, and extended financial aid. Speaking to media, Minister Jayantkumar said that the state government's Chief Minister Gihaksil Gitingbang scheme is providing health benefits to many beneficiaries. However, Bembem is unable to avail the benefits as she does not hold any AAY card. She also assured to provide health cards and other benefit cards of the government at the earliest. The Health Minister also assured to offer further assistance for the treatment of Bembem. Jayantkumar also inspected other patients during his visit.
AY card paramdri AY card paidra CMST card sabiate masai niyom da adubu AY card paidra fawuda laribi pankej leire na habitu khangabani na madu special care log do yaroi na habigi hidaksi lem na pinabagi Jenims authority na pharmacy ma tied up toraga darkar lebe hidak matu log na habigi matu messenger.
Rotary Club of Imphal organized a mega health camp at Shangsak Primary School in Ukhrul district today. Diabetes screening, blood pressure screening, mobile dental clinic and portable ECG screening facilities were provided to over 500 villages during the camp. On the second day of 3-day-long children festival organized by Children Cultural Center, Manipur, children performed Pena Saisak, Mai Bizagoi, mime and other many art forms. The festival was organized in relation to Silver Jubilee celebration of Children Cultural Center, Manipur. The organizers believe that the festival will help in curbing mobile phone addiction among the children by channeling them towards art forms like dance, music and plays. Secretary of Manipur State Kala Academy, L. Kiswarjit, renowned theatre personalities K3 Jugindro and Warepa Naba attended the event. Manipur joined in observing World Toilet Day 2018 on the theme When Nature Calls at Lamlongai Mayai Laikai Community Hall in Mantri Pukri today. MLA of Sekma Assembly Constituency, H. Dingo Zilla Parishad, K. Sohodeva and people in the area attended the event. Manipur Public School MPS Koiringe observed its 39th Foundation Day and also held its annual prize distribution ceremony in the school auditorium today. Speaking in the event, Commissioner of Education S. Department H. Dilip IS reminded that children are nation's future. He stressed the need to nurture and mold the personality and career of the children right from schooling days. He appreciated Manipur Public School Society parents, teachers, staffs and alumni for their earnest contributions in enhancing the school. He also assured to extend help for MPS, which he opined has great potentials. Facilitations of meritorious students of the school and cultural programs highlighted the day.
I find that many of the schools that were functioning with very good teachers but without adequate numbers of students are now pretty well balanced out, quite evenly balanced, and we have schools, at least 8 schools in and around Fal, which are very important schools, functioning much more efficiently than before. Amongst them, I thought that the Manipur Public School was one entity that I should really personally take care of.
Bengal Political Forum observed the 46th Manipur University Day at Manipur Press Club today. Muhammad Alimuddin, the first Chief Minister of Manipur after it attained statehood and the first one from Muslim community who laid the foundation stone for the university, was fondly remembered on the occasion. Attendees paid floral tributes at the portrait of the late Chief Minister. Speaking in the event, former Vice-Chancellor of Manipur University, Dr. N.G. Bizoy, appreciated Bengal Political Forum for observing the day. He lamented that Manipur University Day has been neglected by the government since a long time. Looms and other weaving accessories were distributed to 105 women weavers of Kundrakpam constituency under the Department of Handloom and Textiles, Manipur government. Yarn Depot Agency at Yumnam Kunau under BJP Kundrakpam Mandal organized a distribution event at Yumnam Kunau Community Hall today. Speaking on the occasion, Chairman of Manipur Handloom and Handicrafts Development Corporation Limited, S. Rajan, asserted that BJP government has organized various training programs and distributed numerous machines with an aim to sustain stable incomes for weavers in the state. He said Kundrakpam social worker Nonthombam Rajendra alias Boy requested department concerned regarding looms distribution, following which 55 looms were made available for the beneficiaries of the constituency. There was a technical glitch and we regret for the inconveniences. Before we end the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Indefinite bunt along National Highway number 2 Imphal-Dimapur Road brings grievous floods to commuters. Chief Minister N. Biren launches Manipur cab services under Imphal Finance Cooperative Thrift and Credit Society Limited, reassures of provision for journalists under CMHT scheme. MPCC observes 101st birth anniversary of late Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Former Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam asserts public will requite BJP in upcoming Lok Sabha elections. And upset residents block Kangabam Laikai Road and adjoining roads of Kaishamthong and Sagolban constituencies against non-maintenance for over 10 years.